In a unanimous judgment, the Supreme Court upheld the decision of the Court of Appeal which on 27 May affirmed the election of Ododo. The Apex Court five-member panel headed by Justice Lawal Garba held that the allegation that the Kogi State governorship election was in breach of provisions of the Electoral Act was not proven by the SDP governorship candidate. It further adds that allegations of age falsification and certificate forgery are pre-election issues that can only be determined at the Federal High Court. The Supreme Court therefore dismissed Ajaka's appeal for lacking merit.
Whatever has a beginning has an end.
Yes.
Everybody here knows when it started. I can tell you that it has ended today. By this judgment, I mean, the fine young man, the governor of the state, now has the opportunity to settle down and take governance to the next level for the people of Kogi.
The bed has been finally laid to rest. And with this judgment now, I believe it's all over. So that the governor can concentrate, on his policies and the plan he has for the people of Kogi State.
The Supreme Court delivered the judgment and held that the appeal lacks merit and is dismissed. That is my reaction, and that is what the Supreme Court said. I don't have any other thing to add.
On the Bayelsa governorship election, the Supreme Court upheld the Court of Appeal judgment of 15 July, which deemed Timipre Silva's appeal an abuse of court process. Silva of the APC is challenging the electoral victory of incumbent governor Diri.
We are very happy that the appeal filed by Silva has been dismissed, having been found by the Supreme Court to amount to a gross abuse of court process.
Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma also made certain his governorship seat as the Apex Court affirmed his electoral victory.
A lot of people did not understand the volume of what Imo peoples did in that election. But he spoke for us, he spoke for Imo, he spoke for the governor. He showed that a man who came into governance and a lot of people were skeptics, were talking a lot of things. At the end of the day, the Imo people came out and gave him that mandate that was a landslide mandate, overwhelming victory.
Finally, there's closure for the Kogi, Bayelsa and Imo governorship seats, now perhaps for the governors to settle into the real business of governance. Godfrey Eshemoge, Arise News.